Hi there, it's Valerie, and today we're gonna make an interesting manicure. This is a good time to prepare our nails for this season and this celebration time. Look at this, I found it in Pinterest, and yeah, we'll do it together step by step. Have a nice watching and let's nail it!
This is what we have. Let's start with a good preparation. At first we should cut the cover down and after this to correct the length. I want to make it shorter. We do it with all of the fingers. Look at this. We shouldn't cut all of the cover down if we don't want to injure a nail. But at the same time we should keep here a thin layer. You see, here's too thickly. I'm gonna make it thinner. This part is finished. Let's move forward. I'll take a cutter with the blue line. By the way, how do you call a cutter for a manicure in English? Then carefully and tenderly push away my cuticle. And then clean a pocket zone from the region. Carefully again, we don't do it like this, but like this. Good, and then continue to work till it's clean. Of course you know that we shouldn't cut it down too hard. We have to be tender to lift up a cuticle and clean a pocket zone. To be honest, it is not so easy and comfortable to do this work and make a video, but I'm sure I need more practice and my videos will be more picturesque. And let's go to the next step. Earlier we lifted the cuticle and now we can see the place that needs to be cut. Actually, we almost finished with preparations, but here is one more step. The easiest step of this part, grinding. Grind all of the parts of the workplace, cuticle and the skin in the both sides of a nail. The skin here is tight. Next we'll saw the nails. Not like this, but this way. Good. As you can see, if we want to make a square form, we would build up a corner. But classic square form is not so comfortable for me in real life, so I won't build it up for sure. Then check all of the nails, and here's the one which I'm gonna fix. We degrease this one and cover it with a rubber base. We need a thin layer. We take a polygel and build the corner up. And dry it for a minute. I'm sewing it, make right architecture and check again. Congratulations! The preparation is done and we can move to the creative step. Degrease and dehydrate all of the nails, then carefully push away the cuticle and make a priming layer. I'm gonna make an alignment at all of the nails and then turn it down for making a right apex. Dry it and then do it the same at all of the fingers. We're pushing away the cuticle again. It helps us to color the nails deeply. You can do it with a bottle brush only or take a zero size brush for help. And then color the second layer. Good job! We are preparing it for a painting with degrees and sewing. And quickly reminder about what design is look like. The great time to choose the best color for the tiger. I wanna mix some of them and choose the best one. Let's see what we can do. So I think you agree that this is a good one. Let's paint the basics: a tail, a head, and two paws. I prefer to dry every little right thing in every step. I drew an orange part of the tail and dried it. And the same with the next things. Then paint the white details and also dry every step. And the last part of the tiger is the black details. Let it snow. Paint it with the white color. And we almost finished. And covered the nails a glossy top because unfortunately my matte top smears the painting. Then I covered a matte top and we have two last steps ahead. The control sewing and sewing of the underside of a nail. Just look at this beauty!
You see, the design is pretty easy. Write in comments if you have done it already. Thanks for watching and your reactions. Let's get in touch in the next videos. Bye!